Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about our latest mosaic? Our latest mosaic. It's a collaboration, and I don't normally collaborate. But when I tell you that these glass fusions were made by my daughter Mollie Cheek, you'll completely understand why I was happy to oblige with the surrounding mosaic. It's inspired by Mrs. Beeton's Book of Household Management, first published in 1861. This is a nice early edition. You can see it's a real doorstop of a book, but it's got these fabulous engravings in them. And this one of the fish inspired Mollie to make all those fish. So we've got a sturgeon, we've got a little shrimp, a dab, a crab, another flatfish, I think it's a turbot, another flatfish, I think that's a plaice upside down. We've got eels, we've got mussels, scallops, a lobster. My favourite are the little potted shrimp here. She's done a lovely job on those. From my point of view, mosaicing around these very delicate, beautifully made seaweed was very time consuming, but I think it was worth it. I think it's a really splendid piece, and I hope you do too.